new Juice WRLD album came out, and I've been listening to it all weekend. It's called Legends Never Die, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Righteous. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I have a bunch of songs from this album coming up. Enjoy. So the first part of this song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an A minor 7. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Next is an A minor 7 with a G bass. So you're going to hold down the A minor 7 chord, and then you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string. Next is an F major chord. You can play this like a bar chord, but for this, you're going to hold down the 1st fret of the low E string with your thumb. You're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're going to bar the B and high E strings with your pointer finger. And then a minor bar chord. So we could also play this like a bar chord, but for this song, we're going to place our thumb on the 5th fret of the low E string. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and you're going to bar the G, B, and high E strings with your pointer finger. And all put together, it sounds like this. So really quick, just so you can see exactly what I'm doing there, I'm starting on the A minor 7 chord, and I'm finger picking the A, D, and B strings. Then I'm moving to the A minor 7 with the G bass and doing a similar finger picking pattern, except with the bass note on the low E string. Then to the F major chord with the same finger picking pattern. Then hit the bass note one more time before sliding up to the A chord. And you're hitting the D, G, and B strings with your pointer, middle, and ring fingers on the right hand. Then slide back down to the F major chord and hit the bass note one more time before hitting the D, G, and B strings one more time. So for the next part of this song, we're going to be keeping our pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string the entire time. And we're going to be doing this finger picking pattern on the B and high E strings. At the same time, we're going to be cycling through 4 different bass notes. So we're going to start on the open D string, then the 1st fret of the low E string, then the open A string, then the 3rd fret of the low E string. And when we put them both together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Righteous. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.